Now this is a very desirable car. This is the new model Defender D250 X Dynamic S in the amazing Eiger Grey. 2022 registration on a 71 plate with 1,444 miles. But what makes this car ultra special, it's got 7 seats, the family pack. Now the colour, the styling, the drive, the 3-litre diesel engine with a 250 brake horsepower also makes this car very special. But look at it, it's a Defender 110, just looks absolutely mega. Still has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, and because the car's only travelled 1,444 miles, it's absolutely perfect internally, externally and every other way. So from the front, you have the lovely LED daytime running lights. You'll notice on this car, everything is either grey or black. So first of all, the surroundings around the headlights, the checkered on the bonnet, the matte black finish, the 110 decals. You've then got the 360 view camera system. So that's the front cameras, the side cameras and the rear cameras. All the black sections in the lovely gloss black at the bottom there. You'll also notice with the X Dynamic, you get this arch kit, which is also in the gloss black, because a lot of them sometimes have that plastic finish. Again, you've got the beautiful upgraded wheels there, front and rear mud flats, the fixed side steps, which they'll have the tube effect on them, sun protection glass, and that beautiful contrasting black roof. Now, this one's got another big extra, which is the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Obviously automatic gearbox, and if you look at that center screen there, you'll notice it's the new, most up-to-date version, which is a larger screen. It's absolutely so easy to use and just, it's nice. You've got the lovely 4-spoke steering wheel, lovely finish of the interior trim, center armrest, lumbar support, heated seats, dual zone climate control, and the 110 also has air suspension, which is brilliant. But like I said, this car is really special because of the third row seating. Now the third row seating is individual seats. You don't have to use all 7 seats. You can put them down, they go flat into the boot, so you have the normal 5 seats or 6 seats. To go into the back, it's got enough of an area there. Don't get me wrong, it's not the biggest 7-seater, so it's not really designed for adults, but you can put adults in there if needed be. That goes back just like that. There's a metal bar underneath to create more leg space for the third row passengers. You've also got 3-zone climate control, so you have the one in the middle there, and then the 7-seat passengers also have their own on and off button as well. Around the back, you've got the amazing LED style lighting system, lovely squares, soft close boot, and if you haven't noticed already, this has got the spare wheel cover as well. Now with regards to seats, you can see once the 7 seats are up, I'll be dead straight, you haven't got a great amount of space, but it's not every day you'll use all 7 seats. So when you do this, literally, you've got that area there, or if you're not going to use the third row seating at all, you've got yourself a very, very generous boot space. Like I said, it's perfect, and with that hard back as well, it's so easy to maintain, and that goes the same for the middle row, so you can see that finish, that checkered finish on the back. So if you are going to put stuff in there, you're not going to damage it because it's got that hard finish to it. Let me just show you this. This car also has a full detachable tow bar as well, so it just clicks in if you're going to use it, and when you're not using it, it's out of sight, out of mind. The car is... It's beautiful because of the colour, the way it looks, the mileage, the age, the specification, the engine, everything about it is just nothing short of amazing. You can't get these cars currently. We have the best value vehicles in the country, in the best condition, in the best specification. Push button start, lane assist, just listen to that engine there. This is a diesel, 3-litre diesel engine, but it sounds beautiful. It's got a great tune to it. Full digital dash where it displays the navigation on there. You can configure all that, no problem. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, the leather steering wheel, everything feels just great. It just sat so nice and high up. The dual zone climate control, front and rear heated windscreen, and then you have the 360 view camera system, which again is great on its own. So you've got no reason to curb any of the wheels. You can see the front of the car, the back of the car, every part of it. Twin cup holders, USBs and USB. Centre armrest comes up with a massive cubbyhole space there. Glasses case holder, and you've also got the lovely frameless interior mirror there as well. The Defenders, the drive superb, they look brilliant, and like I said, with having that air suspension as well, you get all the comfort that you need in a car like this. Massive ground clearance, it's elevated, it's just perfect. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.